The beneficiary of a detailed ground-up restoration, this authentic supersport coupe wraps slick tuxedo black aesthetics around 4 forward gears and 402 cubic inches of legendary Chevy big block. If you like your muscle cars tastefully modified, but pure in spirit, then take a look at this '68 Chevelle. The Chevelle wears a sweet coat of correct tuxedo black two-stage that manages to be both abiding and menacing. Under that finish, solid body panels align well, forming an impressive profile that's sure to inspire stares for years to come. Ornamentation consists of proper Supersport and 396 badges, and chrome bumpers cap things off for an impressive stance. Between the doors, you'll find a fresh black interior that puts the tradition in traditional. Front and center, vinyl-wrapped buckets perfectly complement a vinyl-wrapped bench. A factory dash hangs restored gauges above a trio of accessory gauges. The factory console frames a traditional Hurst shifter, and the driver guides a wood-trimmed Chevrolet rally wheel around an old-school moon-eyes tachometer. Lift this Chevy's hood and you'll find a clean 402 cubic inch big block that was rebuilt, thoroughly polished, and substantially tweaked during the car's restoration. Supplemented with an Edelbrock Torquer 2 intake, the big block sends power through a reliable Muncie 4-speed to 273 gears. A lot of builders set out with the intention of making their vintage project best newer cars in as many ways as possible. That sometimes causes their muse to feel a bit boring or watered down. Thankfully, this Chevelle was kept true to form. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.